So let's talk about advanced editing. Currently, there's only one model in this page, but I'd like to make a mutant. To do that, let's press Edit, and over here there's Make Mutations and Add Additional Model. Add Additional Model allows you to combine multiple pages into one. So whereas make mutation gets your structure and adds a given mutation. Let's say we want to mutate on chain A, methionine 1 to tryptophan, which is quite severe in the case of this protein that we've got here. So now it's made the mutation. And we have we've got a pre-generated bit of text over here with two links. The first one is what the wild type protein is, showing the methionine. And then we have a second one which shows the tryptophan, which is causing some internal clashes, which are represented by the spiky ball. These spiky balls are computed based on proximity. And so in the case of mutations to proline, you will probably get quite a lot. Now, as I said before, the mutant is actually a separate model in addition to the wild type. So when we go back and create on View Builder a new link on model specified, we can choose whether we want to use ubiquitin, the wild type, or whether we want to use the mutant. So we mutated residue 1. So let's go. Let's select 1. And currently it seems that we have the mutant loaded, which is correct. We switch over to this one, we have the other one. Perfect. So let's save these. Oh no, I seem to have broken my markdown. So what's gone on over here? Well, this description block is actually written in a format called Markdown. In Markdown, which is the code also, the formatting also used in GitHub and Reddit, various symbols represent parts of the text, like a header is represented by 2 hashes. That's a level 2 header. You can have 3 or more hashes. The more hashes, the less important the header. Asterisk to determine what text that is bold. Let's make this bold. It's flanked by 2 asterisks. Italics will be underscores, and so forth. It's quite a common language markup. So Markdown is. So there's quite a lot of documentation online, and over here you can find the external guide to it by pressing the question mark. So let's see. Let's say that this link, I don't quite like it. Let's change it. So currently it's been loaded and we can go and edit it. Let's zoom in, change this hot pink to, say, any color that we can think of by picking either here or by typing a common HTML color name, which is generally most colors you can think of except unusual ones, plus mustard. Let's change it to teal or aquamarine. Perfect. Now we can save this and everything should be perfectly fine. But say we're not happy with this mutation. Well, luckily we can revert to a previous version. We can even revert back to the first mode. So where there's the pre-generated pre-filled text, we can do that, and we've got has the page appeared back at the start. So more about the description. Over here, some tags and HTML elements are not actually allowed. For example, if I were to write a piece of code that steals other people's cookies by injecting some JavaScript, if we save it, we will see that, oh no, it's been escaped. This is because we don't want people to steal other people's cookies and pretend to be them. As a consequence, generally, most tags that allow you to inject JavaScript and other various tricks that people can do are blocked to basic users. So, but most of the basic functionality to make a good working page is available. If, however, for some reason, say you're about to publish your work, the protein in a paper, and you want it to be protected, or you want to add the JavaScript code, if you want to talk to the site admins by pressing the dialog button over here, you can send a message such as, "Hello, could you protect my page?" So what exactly is page protection? Well,